Purple.
Hello. Good morning, my dear colleagues. As temporary presiding officer, the session is now called to order. Please rise for the opening prayer and remain standing for the singing of Pambansang Awit.
Sa battles. Kaya kung may tingin ko rin Omo po, sa imbali na natulog. Yato ka na kumitingin kita.
Kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Magpangadyo kita. Sa ngalan naman inaki pati ni Espiritu Santo. Diyos na mapagkamot sa oras na ini tinataw mo po sa imong samuyang buhay. Kaguranan lugod, Panginoon, kami kan sa imong presensya asin pagkasararo kami. Lugod ihatag mo sa muya ang sa imong mga objeto sa samuya na sa amo na munisipyo Sambulan. Lugod kaguranan dahil man paglingawi na lugod ang lambang sa samuya. Kami tunay kaguranan na magserbi sa samo na banwaan. Tagi kami ng pagkasararo, huli kan sa imong pagkamot, asin lugod kuguson mo kami kan sa imong katuniniwan na naghali sa imong kahdayan. Ini kaguranan sa mong hinahagad, huli sa nga ni Kristo na sa moyang kaguranan, sa nga ni naman inaki, pati ni Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Mr. Secretary, roll call.
Thank you, Your Honor. Attendance for the 32nd regular session dated February 16, 2026. Honorable Cheska May B. Robles, Honorable Attorney Danny A. Corsiga, Honorable Guillermo C. D. Castro Jr., Honorable Renz Alergi Guelas, Honorable John Rainier C. Gordola, Honorable Geoffrey O. Asur,
Present.
Honorable Vincent T. Hao,
Present.
Honorable Unita G. Guelas, Honorable Recto G. Valeriano,
Present.
Honorable Rodel G. Hililio,
Present.
and Honorable Jerry Ann H. Gordola. Your Honor, I attest to the presence of quorum.
The chair declares quorum. Please proceed for the reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous session.
Minutes of the 31st regular session of the 20th Sangguniang Bayan of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon, held on the 9th day of February 2026 at the Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall, new legislative building, this municipality. All were present except Councilor Rodel Hililio. He was excused. The regular session was called to order at 10:55 in the morning. The presiding officer, Honorable Vice Mayor Cheska May B. Robles, requested the SB members to stand up for the prayer and singing of the Pambansang Awit. The Pambansang Awit was played on audio recording, followed by the invocation, led by Councilor Recto Valeriano. The presiding officer requested the Secretary to the Sanggunian to call the roll. The presiding officer declared a quorum. While the Assistant Secretary was reading the minutes of the regular session dated February 2, 2026,
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Councilor.
since we already have a copy of previous minutes, so if there's no questions regarding the minutes or clarification or concern, I move for approval and adoption.
Second.
On motion of Councilor Gian Gordola, seconded by Councilor Geoffrey Asur, the previous minutes of the regular session dated February 9, 2026 is approved and adopted. Mr. Secretary, nano kayo diretso kita sa question or typo? Typo na.
Ay, oo, typo. Sorry, typo sa ano. Wala kabutangan first reading. Sa question R tabi nato, Your Honors, we have here si Ma'am
Mirabida.
Sa LCR. Sorry. Nag-mental block.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor Azur.
Okay, we have a visitor, so I move to suspend the House rules.
Second.
The House rules suspend. Ma'am,
Ma'am
hindi
Nelia.
ka na po, Ma'am Del. Nalimot sa ngaran mo.
Ma'am Delia. Ma'am Delia. Sorry, Ma'am Del. Sorry, Ma'am Del.
Nasa din si Naiten.
And finished. Mr. Chair?
Yes, Councilor De Castro.
Ma'am Nelia pa, last Monday is may insalang sa amon urgent with regards sa parang i-authorize ka sa an SB na mag-enter into a MOA with the PSA pa ata ito?
Yes
Parang
po.
PSA. So, hapot ko tabi, although medyo may knowledge ako sa Tudeo, kayo po parang ilo-localize na ang pag-request sin mga changes sa mga birth certificate.
Good morning po sa Intiro,
Yes, good morning.
sa honorable members, and sa ato presiding officer. Good morning po. Ito po na APCAS, ano yun, di man po yung ilo-localize, kundi parehas po yung sa PhilCris. Doon lang po ipiprepare sa amo ang preparations and corrections and sa RA 9048-10172. Doon po sa amo. Ini po, saro po ini na program, kundi halimbawa, may networking po ini. Kung may mga corrections, didirekta po pwede. Kung may corrections, pwede ini sa central office.
So for example, kung may saro na ma-request, di na lang.
Opo.
Diri na nanon dati na
Dati po, parehas man po, di man po nagre-request. Kaya lang, pwede po yun, maski sa iba na lugar, pwede po may ang MCR to MCR. Di po, nagpe-personal po sila sa amo. Sa preparation.
so parang interconnected na ang local
Yes.
LCR to other LCRs.
Opo, yes po.
Not necessarily sa national PSA. Parang kumbaga, for example, ngayon nasa Manila, LCR dito pwede
Opo. Dati po, migrant petition anyaran po soon. Pwede mag-file ang saro na kliyente sa iba na lugar, ipapadara po sa amo through couriers. Mao po yun. Pero niyan, di na sa amo maka-apply. Automatic siya na sa kasi naka-program na po ini. Intiro na correction sa intended purpose po. Puro lang dun sa APCAS.
Mr. Chair, saro lang na concern pa.
Opo.
May ba ang sangguni ang bayan mag-authorize sa department head? I mean, kasi di ba usually, nag-represent sa LGU is the mayor.
Okay, opo.
Na may lang sin experience ang sangguni ang bayan nag-authorize sa certain department head and treasury kasi ino-authorize yan na mag-disburse or sa kwarta sa munisipyo.
Opo.
So with regards tabi sa imo, nakahali sa sangguni ang bayan.
Ini po kasi na preparation man lang po ini sa amo. Di man po yan. Ang mga payments po, direct na po ini sa sa treasury office.
Dire, I mean, nakay nag-request ka mo na ang sangguni ang bayan ang maghatag authority sa saro na department head na ang department head is under san executive. Usually, kadaghanan san authorities na inaayo sa executive, PILMI and mayor. Kasi
yes,
mao nakabutang sa local government code.
Actually po, first time ko man po ini authorize po ang MCR. Hindi ko lang po aram kung ang sang PhilCris po ang PhilCris po intended po ito puro sa birth. Hindi ko lang po aram kung sa dati na MCR naghimo man po na authorization sa MCR.
Sa Tumayon naman.
May Philcris po. Sa
Ino-
mga birds po yun.
So, inauthorize sa Sangguniang Bayan man ang LCR.
Hindi ko po aram kasi first time po man po
Mr. Chair.
ano.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Councilor.
intiro po na MOA na i-represent sa LGU, mas kinano po na department and concern, permi po yun
May resolution.
represented sa executive sa mayor. So tama po ito na first time ini mangyari na i-authorize direktaan sa na department head. Kaya baka mali po ini.
Ano yun, magiging jurisprudence yun na intiro lugod ng mga department head sa executive, diri na makasurulod sa mga agreement without approval sa Sangguniang Bayan.
Sangguniang Bayan.
Which is diri man yun kaupod sa local government code eh.
Ano walang po kasi ini yun na program po ini para sa opisina po.
Mao nga po.
Actually,
So nakina-determine sa executive, nakaipuhang ka mag-ayo mo sa amo or magkamayon kasi authority from the Sangguniang Bayan before ka magpirma sa MOA
Yes
or na
po.
contract. Na di man yun nangyari.
Oh,
Naghano na basis na ang mga department heads
Under.
nagpipirma man sa resin agreement with different agencies without securing authority from the Sangguniang Bayan. Mayor lang kaya nakabutang sa ano eh. So, Martin, yung address nga ni Councilor Guelas na baka naglalagpas kami man sa poder sa Sangguniang Bayan.
Mr. Chair, since may representative po coming from the executive, si former Councilor Excel Zuniga, pwede tabi natin mabati siguro an
pwede po.
kaniya.
Sir,
Ah,
pwede
opinion.
po kasi si Sir,
Yata
ang,
si
ang officer in charge sini po na upcast.
Sino po?
Si Mr. Christian.
Yeah po. Oh.
Good morning po to the honorable members of this august body.
Good morning.
Opo, ang concern lang po na mo, kuan, Sir, kung ano po, proper ba na si Ma'am Nelia ni-authorize na instead of Mayor?
Actually po, ang pina-receive po sa mo na copy sa LCR, ang signatory po talaga dito sa agreement is the regional director of the PSA, si Engineer Perdis, and then si Ma'am Nelia Benamira. The only reason why we sent this copy to the office of the mayor is that the letter is addressed to our honorable mayor. So we sent the copy to the office of the mayor to furnish them, and then later on we were told that we need to secure a SB resolution authorizing the municipal civil registrar to sign into this MOA, or should I say the subscription agreement. Actually, subscription agreement for the use of the administrative petition for correction of automated system man lang po yadi. That's why we are here. Para po ma-authorize si Ma'am Nel na magpirma po dito sa subscription agreement. And dito po sa subscription agreement, malinaw po na wala man po dito sin payment na kukuwaon from the LGU Bulan. Ang system po, maghahali sa PSA, this is free of subscription, and then ang magiging counterpart lang po dito sa LGU Bulan is to provide the equipment and then the place in which i-install na system. Sumawa man lang po ang magiging counterpart sa LGU Bulan.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, Councilor De
With
Castro.
regards sa mga kunana ng mga gastos or kunana, wala kami concern. Ang pinaka-main concern namo, nakaikipuhan ba sa department, sa root ng department heads, mag-secure sin SB authority. Ang letter sa regional director with regards sa nasa RSSO, an insurat kan mayor, ang nakabutang man ng maga, may we respectfully request your approval regarding the conduct upcast rollout.
Yes.
So, address to the mayor, approval sa mayor. Diri man kay may we request isang Sangguniang Bayan authority for the two agencies to enter into an agreement.
Yes, sir.
So, maayon ang nag-wonder kami na kay diri approval sa mayor, nakikipon sa Sangguniang Bayan resolution. Maano kabutan didi ho? And at the same time, once na nag-approve ang mayor ma-assign or ma-designate kung sino yun na tao, which is si Ma'am Nelia.
Yes, sir.
So, wala didi sa letter na nagsisik sin SB resolution. Unlike sa iba ng mga letters from NGAs, may na-encounter kami sa na inuhulat talaga na tagan sin SB authority and mayor. Iniwara eh.
Actually, sir, we are aware that the PSA is only informing the office of the mayor or the municipal mayor to authorize the department head concerned to sign into subscription agreement, and we have no knowledge why kaipuhan po sin SB resolution.
Mr. Chair.
Kamu man lang ang executive man lang ang nagsurat na nag-request na ayo sa amo eh.
Kasi di ba ma'am, sabi ko po bugas sa imo dati, di mo po didikepuhan ng SB resolution.
So nakalagayo ang executive or kamo?
Di ba parang Mr. Chair, di ba parang may na-mention ka po kanina na sa letter
Yes.
na nag-require sa SB resolution?
Di po, wala pa ako na-mention.
Ang inaayo lang sa region, approval of the mayor.
Yes, sir.
Kaya naka-address nga ni the mayor, ang region or NGAs, nakabutang yun na-attach yun minsan sin MOA,
Oh, may template
na
na yun.
inayuan sin authority an sa bayan. Pero iniwara eh, agreement man lang ini.
Yes po.
Subscription lang nga eh.
Councilor Azul?
Okay, kung di rin Mr. Chair, okay.
Councilor Azul?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. Apot ko lang Mr. Gobuli, sir. Okay, so may ano ba sa ato local chief executive? May letter ba na ina-authorize si Ma'am
Actually po, sir, ang maukutaan namo, ang purpose namo, kaya kami nagpa-receive sin copy sa Office of
Yes.
the Mayor
Kaya
to
nga,
authorize the Municipal Civil Register to na magpirma po dito sa subscription agreement. Kaya lang po, ang naano po namo is, ang nag-draft po sa Rasin SB resolution authorizing the...
Ngayon.
Yes po. Yadi po.
Nakasurat lang sa letter, approval lang sa mayor. Wala man sin
Yes, sir.
requesting to grant SB authority.
Hindi naman kaipuhan ng SB resolution.
Pero pwede po maghapot, sir. Would it be crucial po if by any chance mag-issue nga sin SB resolution authorizing the Municipal Civil Register to sign into a subscription agreement with
Mr. Chair,
the
na kayo
PSA?
magdagdag kita sin red tape. May artalon na kita.
Yes.
So, not necessarily documents or requirements, na kay ayuan mo.
Yes.
So, pag inag-ayo kasi hindi man necessary, nagdadagdag ka red tape in violation of ARTA. Diri mao.
Yes.
So, for example, tagan nato sin authority si Ma'am Nelia. Intiro ba na department head before mag-enter na sa agreement, subscription, or kung ano pa man, diri na sa executive maayo sin approval sa amo na? Diri mao po.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nagigets po.
Sa surat sa region, wala man sa inaayo na iba na requirement, kundi approval lang sa mayor. So na kay subject niyo na mag-undergo pa sa sangguniang bayan.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor Guelas.
Apo, malinawan man siguro po sa region, sa surat sa region, na approval man na po sa executive, ninayo nila, di man kay puhan ang MOA. Kasi pag MOA, between the LGU or any national agency, kung ma-represent ng LGU, it is always the chief executive na nagpipirma san MOA. Not the department head or anybody else. Permi po an executive as the head of the local government unit. Niyan, in this case, since wala man po sa kuan, medyo nagiging confusing lang kay an executive nagpadara sa endorsement. Actually, may padara sa resolution na i-approve sa sangguniang bayan mo, which is diri man sabi mo imod ko kay puhan. Approval man lang po sa mayor, ani na ayon na ra.
Simple na lang, Mr. Chair, simple na lang tabi na hapot. Nakinagayo ka mo SB resolution. Nanoan legal basis para mag-ayo sin SB resolution para i-authorize sa department head.
Because the Municipal Civil Register will be signing for the municipal government of Bulan.
On what legal
Sorsogon?
basis what legal basis nakaipuhan before mag-sign ang sa department head, mag-ayo mo na sin authority from the Sangguniang Bayan. Kay intiro na MOA na inpipirmahan ni Mayor, mayroon kami in sa site na legal basis under the local government code. Na before the Mayor can enter into an agreement, kaya po niya SB resolution or authority from the Sanggunian. Pero sa local government, nanoan kaakibat na batas, nakipuhan, i-require siya ang sa ato department head na mag-secure sin SB resolution.
The point is very well taken, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
And at first glance, mao man talaga po ang take namo sini. We just don't know the
Executive and executive.
on why they sent us here. So mao man lang po. So I guess po kung di man po kaipuhan ang SB resolution na i-authorize po ang LCR na magpirma, so it is siguro safe man sa amo na i-proceed mi na po ini.
Approve lang. Kay, mga ano yun eh. Last week may issue pa lang with regard sa announcements sa MDR, diri mao.
Yes, sir.
Yung sasabihan nga ni na nag-over ang vice mayor sa kanya authority for the suspension of classes. Niya naman ho, base mao naman sa nangyari. Na nagsobra na naman ang sangguniang bayan sa kaniya poder sa paghimo sin authority na di man nga ni na-require. Kaya for example, mahakot ako, for the sake of argument, kung disapprobaho na mo yun, diri na ba makasulod ang LCR sa programa sa national? Remember, ang sangguniang bayan is ano yun, collegiate body yun.
Yes.
So, paano kung dumicide na, o sige, diri tayo nitugutan? Kay nag-aayo ka mo sin approval eh. Diri interon approval, automatic approve.
Yes.
So paano kung mag-decide ang sangguniang bayan? Diri, abot na mo sini. Sabi ta lang, kapritso lang. Diri, minsan ang dalagan sa gobyerno. So na kay i-undergo nato ang saro na department head sa not necessarily kaypuhan na legislation. Mawala, Mr. Chair, ang point ko.
Mr. Chair. Yes, from executive,
ang solusyon tabi sini kay ang surat tura man si mayor. So ang mapirma si ma'am ang LCR. So pirma na muna nira kung pag-abot sa regional na kay po ang kuan ni mayor saka na
ang MOA.
Diri, Mr. Chair, ang surat tabi sa region kay puhan mo na approval sa mayor before magpirma si Ma'am Nelia. Diri
Mayor
pwede
man.
magpirma basta-basta ang department head na wala sin approval an sa kaniya boss or an sa kaniya head which is an mayor.
Oh, so Mr. Chair, liwato na tabi ni imbes na si Ma'am Nilya i-authorize na lang si mayor.
Di man si mayor ang mapirma nga ni eh.
Kaya diri nga ni kay kung wala si mayor ma-recommend lang si mayor.
Di na. Kaya di naman kaipuhan nga ni.
May malinawon sa
Subscription
so,
agreement.
subscription sa ano na dili man kaipuhan ng SB resolution. Kumbaga masabi lang kan
Sa
mayor
letter
na
sa letter
mag-i-authorize ka.
sa PSA.
Oo.
Sa pinaka last part, nakabutang baga dito, approval sa mayor. So once na nag-approve ang mayor, i-provide ang ngaran. Mauman
Si Ma'am
lang.
Nelia na. Oo.
Diri naman na magsabi dito mag-secure ka mayor sin SB resolution or authority. So ini na issue is not diri concern ang legislative.
So, siguro diretso ka mo sa executive, ha?
Explain.
Pabasa gahapon ni yun na
I-highlight niyo ito na last
MOA.
part.
Oo. I-highlight, ano na lang ito. So, ini na resolution from hali sa Office of the Mayor. Siguro, i-disapprove na lang siguro. Okay.
Archive.
Thank you. Next, sino may sunod? Si Ma'am Kelly. Archive.
Thank you very much.
Archive na lang. Bahala na si Dondo, kaya naka-refer mo ka Dondo.
Tama.
Ma'am Kelly, may ano ka po? May concern? Didi yun, ma'am. Ang cellphone ka na yun.
Balikan Mark.
Tara na.
po, Mr. Chair, and
Morning.
sa lahat po ng mga galaw po na members po ng bayan. At dito po ako para po doon sa request po ng ating LCE, na request din po ng ating opisina ng MEMRO patungkol po sa Memorandum of Agreement, Authority ng ating municipal mayor to enter with the Bicol Bottles and Packaging Depot Packaging Supplies Trading. Ito po ay natalakay na noong nakaraang linggo sa komitiba po ng environment. Pero dito po ako ngayon para po mas lalo po may paliwanag sa inyo yung po nilalaman po ng MOA. Ang MOA po ay sa maikling description lamang. Ito po ay pagpasok po ng ating LGU sa pamamagitan ng authority na ibibigay sa ating pong LCE, sa Bicol Bottles and Packaging Depot Packaging Supplies Trading na pag-aari po ni Mr. Seth Moral Agilio mula po sa Pili, Camarines Sur. So siya po ay may negosyo na pagbili at pagproseso ng mga recyclable materials, pero ang focus lamang po ay sa mga bote or glass bottles. Ito po ay papasok sa kanilang programa, maging programa rin po ng ating LCE, Balik Bote Program, a Glass Buy Station Project. So dito po, ito pong nasabi kumpanya ay bibili po sa atin ng mga glass bottles na karaniwan po ay hindi po nabibili ng ating local junk shops. So, kagaya po ng mga galapon, yung mga kulay, transparent, po binibili dito, yung pong transparent or clear glass, bibili po nila sa halagang 1 peso and 50 centavos per kilo. At yun naman po may kulay, brown, orange, green, bibili po nila sa halagang 50 centavos per kilo. Sila po ang pupunta dito sa atin, nasa mga po monthly, pero may requirement po na volume, kung kailangan po na wala pa ang isang buwan at kailangan pulin or alisin, kailangan lamang po sila tayo ng notice 3 days before. And yung monthly, last day of the month. So ito po ang proyekto ay suporta po sa Republic 9003, particular po sa waste recovery and recycling. Sa part po natin, waste recovery. Sa kanila na po ang waste recycling. Kahit po mababa ang bentahan, napakaliit lamang po na halaga, pero para po sa atin, malaking tulong po ito para po sa kabawasan ng espasyo sa ating MRF. At kung magkaroon man tayo ng sanitary landfill, malaking kabawasan din po sa sanitary landfill, hahaba po ang lifespan ng ating sanitary landfill. Ito rin po si BBP ay magbibigay po sa ating ilang report kung ilan na po ang kanilang nakolektang basura sa atin, nakakailanganin din po natin para din po sa ating reporting ng ating mga recovered recyclables. Sa main salita, ganun lamang po yun. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Yes, thank you, Ma'am Kelly. Ma'am Kelly, din tayo i-imbak na mga bottle, mga plastic.
Opo, sa ngayon po, meron tayong MRF sa Bulan Eco Park. So, ang mangyayari po, dito po sa MOA, kapag ito po ay nabigyan po natin, ng authority ang ating LCE, sila po ay kokolekta sa ating MRF. So, lahat po ng nakokolekta po ng ating LGU, doon po pupunta sa MRF at doon din po sila kokolekta, doon po nila bibilhin.
Ma'am Kelly, paano kung mga buruka na pwede pa yon?
Yes po, buo at bubog na, bibilhin po nila, basta po food grade. Meaning, inaano po ng tao. Yung pasok lang po sa ginagamit ng tao. Food grade. Yung hindi po food grade, hindi po muna nila bibilhin. So yun po.
May question pa kay Ma'am Kelly? Wala naman?
Wala naman.
Okay, thank you po.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor.
Actually, sa committee hearing po, approve na yun eh. Kaya lang nagkanilang sa Mangkili para sa information sa Sangguniang Bayan.
Okay, thank you po, Ma'am Kelly.
Maraming salamat po muli sa palaging pagsuporta sa mga programa po ng ating Opisina ng Menlo. Thank you.
Thank you. Next items.
No more.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor Azur.
Okay, kung wala naman sin mga
May ano pa kita,
question
may-
sa ato mga visitors, may pa? Wala
May
naman
mga
siguro.
urgent pa din ho sa business for today.
May
Dagat
pa?
din na urgent. Upat.
Okay, so may mga iharapot pa kita.
Ay, tulo. Sa sa ano yun, batalyon,
Mr.
infantry.
Chair.
Yes, Councilor De Castro.
Ini na urgent, sa ano man na ini, ang una, gusto magbutang sin or maki-agreement an
Second MP.
9 infantry.
Oo.
Ano man lang sara parang presentation.
Presentation.
Siguro sa inihimo na ra tapos may din sin sa West Philippines si issue. Ama lang ang ano sin eh. Ang 2 and 3 naman, with regards naman in sa 7K
7K.
program.
So, wala man.
Confirmation.
Oh, ano ko nga ni sin is may unang unta blanket authority baga si
May
Mayor.
omnibus na baga kita na.
Oo. Pero na-determine siguro sa executive na kayo po ang gihapon tagan authority.
Okay. So, di nakaipuhan si Excel.
Mama lang din sasabihin ni Excel.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor Azur.
I move for the resumption of the House rules.
The House rules resume. Please proceed for the referral, first reading and the referral measure.
For our first reading, Your Honor, item number 1 is a proposed resolution number 2026061, resolution granting renewal of accreditation to the Philippine Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated with office address at Zone 4, Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes. Introduced by Councilor Recto Valeriano.
Councilor Recto Valeriano.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, since that this is a granting renewal of accreditation by the Philippine Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated with the office address of Son Porbulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes, since that we have a requirement submitted to the SB Secretary. So I move for the approval, Mr. Chair.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none. The proposed resolution number 2026-661 and motion of Councilor Valeriano, seconded by Councilor Azur, is approved on first reading.
Item number 2 is proposed resolution number 2026060, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with SAG Consumer Goods Trading for the rental of chairs and materials used during the Barangay Anti-Drug Abuse Council in the amount of 20,722 pesos only through small value procurement under Republic Act number 12009, chargeable to the trust fund. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Pwede ko sa labayan na inatuloy. The three items, item number 2 and 3, 4, is referred to the Committee on Budget and APO.
Item number 5 is proposed resolution number 2026057, SK annual budget of Butag for 705,229 pesos and 68 centavos, Managanaga for 663,328 pesos and 74 centavos, and Hamor-Awon for 385,809 pesos and 47 centavos. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
These items refer to the Committee on Budget.
Proposed number 6 is proposed resolution number 2026056, SK 2026 annual budget of Obrero for 555,600 635 pesos and 58 centavos, introduced by Councilor Vincent Tao.
These items referred to the committee. Ay, wala man, taga-obrero ha. Amendment na yun eh.
Ano?
These items referred to the Committee on Appropriation and Budget.
Okay na. Madali lang po. Item number 7 is proposed resolution number 2026055, resolution adopting the proposed measures in order to avoid a repeat of the 2025 Teachers' Day catering shortcomings, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Defer. This item is deferred since the proponent is absent.
Refer.
Hindi, kay mapaliwanag si Sinalo. Kasi appropriation man lang ito.
Continue.
Okay?
To continue, Your Honor.
Yes.
Item number 8 is proposed resolution number 2026052, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement for the grant of financial assistance to the barangay government of Jejerona, this municipality, in the amount of 50,000 pesos intended for the repainting of sidewalk and boulevard in Barangay Jejerona, Bulan, Sorsogon, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
This item is referred to the Committee on Budget.
Item number 9, proposed resolution number 2026051, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement for the grant of financial assistance to the Liga ng mga Barangay Bulan Municipal Chapter, this municipality, in the amount of 50,000 pesos intended for the procurement of office supplies and materials for the Office of the Liga ng mga Barangay, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
This item is referred to the Committee on Budget.
Item number 10, proposed ordinance number 15-2026, an ordinance establishing the Bulan Barangay Legislative Assistance and Writing Support or bylaws program, providing technical and legislative consultancy services to barangay officials and for other purposes. Author, Attorney, Honorable Councilor Attorney Danny H. Corsiga.
These items refer to the Joint Committee, Committee on Barangay Affairs and Committee on Rules.
Item number 11, proposed ordinance number 14-2026, an ordinance establishing and institutionalizing the information or help desk in the municipal government, defining its functions, providing for staffing and operations, and for other purposes, introduced by Councilor Guillermo de Castro Jr.
These items refer to the Committee on Good Governance.
Item number 12, proposed resolution number 2026050, resolution adopting the list of inventories of the important cultural properties of the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon, in compliance with RA 1066 or the National Cultural Heritage Act of 2009, introduced by Councilor Jerry Ann Gordola.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor Jerian.
Yan po na nasa list na tulo po. Available man. Okay man po yun. Ito po yun sa MT County yan. Yada po. So, if there's no questions regarding the resolution number 2026050, I move for approval and adoption.
Second motion.
On motion of Councilor Gian Gordola, seconded by Councilor Leonette Aguelas and Councilor Hilio, the proposed resolution number 2026-050 is approved on first and second reading.
Item number 13, proposed resolution number 2026049, a resolution commending and congratulating Honorable Danny A. Corsiga, Municipal Councilor of the Sangguniang Bayan of Bulan, Sorsogon, for successfully passing the September 2025 Philippine Bar Examinations, recognizing its significant contributions, benefits, and advantages to the legislative tasks and performance of the Sangguniang Bayan, introduced by Councilor Jerry Ann Gordola.
Mr. Chair, for the item number 13,
Yes.
proposed resolution number 2026-049, I move for approval and adoption. Second.
On motion of Councilor Gian Gordola, seconded by Councilor Hilillo and Councilor Guelas, the proposed resolution number 2026-049 is approved on first and second reading. Jerry Ann, all SB member.
Co-author, all SB members.
Co-author lang. Okay, please proceed. Number 14.
Item number 14. Proposed resolution number 2026-048, resolution strongly encouraging all the 63 Sangguniang Kabataan of Bulan, Sorsogon to include priority programs on HIV prevention, teenage pregnancy response, SK disaster risk reduction and management training or disaster preparedness, mental health support, Kabataan kontra Droga at Terorismo seminar, and CAR, CICL, preventive and restorative programs in their 2026 annual budget, introduced by Councilor Jerry Ann Gordola.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor Gian.
Under this proposed resolution number 2026-048, sa whereases po nakalagay po dito na at least 4 priority programs ang i-include po nila sa 2026 annual budget. At the same time, may minimum po na allocated funds. So, ang minimum po nila is 5,000.
Paano mga na-approve na dati?
Pwede po yun na i-kaistoryan ko po sila na malagdagan po sa supplemental po na Apo. So ini po, dili lang po ini mangyayari dito sa bulan, kundi sa bilog po sa probinsya San Sorsogon. Kasi sa session po kami na intiro ng mga president, mga po yun na pagsunduan na mo since nagalang ko po pabagaan ang porsyento para sa teenage pregnancy. So, mauman po ini ang movement para sa mga kabataan. So, ini po, meron naman po si DC Nalangs and SK Provincial President, kaso lang awaton po siya mag-ibaba didi sa amo. Kaya, para mabatugan na po sa didi po sa munisipyo po nato, mauna po ay ni ang first move ko man para maabotang man po nila sa kanara annual budget. Kaya mapapansin po niyo sa annual budget po nila, meron pong amount na 2,000, 3,000. So, inin na resolution, didi po magbabatog na intiro po na priority programs, magsisimula po sa pondo na 5,000. So, at least 4 priority programs po ang mapuputang po nila sa annual budget nila. So, mga po yun, Mr. Chair. So, if there's no questions regarding the proposed resolution number 2026-048, I move for approval and adoption.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, before the approval.
Before the approval po, diri po kaya Councilor Jean, babao ng 5,000 po na
Paano kasi, Konsehal Aler, diri man po kasi intiro, halang ko opo, kasi ang iba po, namumutang po sa Kanara SK honorarium. So, sa 4 priority programs po, na po sira, 20,000 na po, malaan na sira. Kaya simula po 5,000 na 4 priority programs po ang ibubutang po nara. At least 4.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, Councilor De Castro.
SK, nakidiri mo hinimo na lang na parang mandating. Encouraging is
optional. Parang optional.
Actually,
allowed ba kita?
May autonomy sila.
May autonomy. So hanggang ano na talaga
Encourage lang kita.
Kaya more on sentiment man lang ini. So an SK na diri magsunod, wala man sin makita mo parang
Encourage man lang yun.
encouragement. Ma'am lang na ako.
actually po, ang nakabutang po talaga didi is mandating. Yun po, yung pa-check ko po kay Sir Mark Yadton na na resolution and draft po. Pero mas okay daw po na mas ibutang po ang strongly encouraging po sa
Sabagay, kaya pag binutangan ta mandating, may inyong penal clause.
So, mga po ito, Council.
Mr. Chair,
yes.
second demotion to the motion of Councilor Jean.
Any objection? Hearing none. The proposed resolution number 2026-048 on motion of Councilor Gian Gordola, seconded by Councilor Renz Alarguelas. The proposed resolution number 2026-48 is approved on first and second reading.
We now go to committee report, Your Honor.
Yes.
Our first committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Cooperatives and Livelihood. Item number 3, proposed resolution number 2026-043, resolution granting new accreditation to the Karamanghod Organization with office address at Barangay J. Herona, Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes. The recommendation for approval with amendments on the bylaws of the organization.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor Azur.
Under the committee report, the item number 3, the proposed resolution number 2026-043, resolution granting new accreditation of the Karamanghod Organization with office address at Barangay J. Herona, Bulan, Sorsogon. So, Mr. Chair, I move for the approval and adoption.
Second the motion.
On motion of Councilor Azur, seconded by Councilor Valeriano, the proposed resolution number 2026-043 is adopted and approved on committee reports.
Our second committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Land Use. Item number 6, proposed resolution number 2026-027, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo Gordola, to enter and sign into a use of fract agreement with Bulan Transport Cooperative Incorporated, represented by its president, Mr. Remy G. Hernale, for the use of office and terminal situated at Barangay Zone 6, Bulan, Sorsogon, reclaimed area with an ARP number 2022-02-0061-00387 and an office building ARP number 2022-02-0062-00388. The recommendation of the Committee on Land Use is approval with amendment of proposed resolution number 2026-027.
Ito na amendment.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Councilor Renz Aller.
ito po na amendment na na-mention po sa report na furnish ko na po sin bago na draft, ang final draft. Inclusion po ito sa ito ng mga conditions na nakaset dito po sa nakasite po dito sa MOA. So in-include lang po nato dito sa resolution. Mao man lang po ito na amendment. And also di ano po, ini po binago na po didian ini na ARP number pinalitan na ini. So with this, Mr. Chair, I move for the approval of this proposed resolution number 2026-027.
Approval na.
Approval
Adoption.
and adoption of the committee report.
Committee report. Adoption na sa committee. Second the motion.
On motion of Councilor
Committee report.
Renz Alarguelas, seconded by Councilor Di Castro, the proposed resolution number 2026-027 is approved on and adopt on committee reports.
Report, Your Honor, submitted by the Committee on Appropriations and Budget item number 1. 6046. SK 2026 budget of JP Laurel, Santa Remedios and Osmeña. Of the Committee on Appropriations and Budget, approval of proposed resolution number 2026-046.
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
under
Council-
committee report, item number 1, proposed resolution number 2026-046, I move for approval and adoption.
Second.
On motion of Councilor Gian Gordola, seconded by Councilor Hirilio, the proposed resolution number 2026-046 is adopted and approved on committee reports.
Our fourth committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Appropriations and Budget, item number 2. Proposed ordinance number 13-2026, an ordinance setting up a barangay health workers, daycare workers, and barangay nutritionist honorarium fund for the barangay health workers, daycare workers, and barangay nutritionists of the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon, and providing for guidance for its implementation and for other purposes. The recommendation, approval with amendments of proposed ordinance number 13-2026.
Wala doon nakabutang kumpiraan honorarium na idadagdag sa committee report.
ang mga nakabutan lang po din sa findings na mga amendment, ang barangay nutritionist must be changed to barangay nutrition scholar. Sa section 5 naman po, ang local nutrition council should be municipal nutrition committee. Ang word na daycare workers must be changed to child development workers. Sa section 3, definition of terms, Department of Social Welfare and Development must be changed to National Early Child Care and Development.
Ang mga wording lang.
Apo.
Okay.
Mr. Chair, under committee report, item number 2, proposed ordinance number 13-2026, I move for adoption of the committee report.
Second,
Second.
motion.
On motion of Councilor Gian Gordola, seconded by Councilor Azur, Councilor Leoneta Guelas, the proposed ordinance number 13-2026 is approved and adopted on committee reports.
Our next committee report, Your Honor, is item number 5, 13, and 14. 13 and 14. Proposed resolution number 2026-031, certified urgent resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement with Bicol Bottles and Packaging Depot, or BBDP, Packaging Supplies Trading, for the implementation of the Balik Bote program, a glass buying station project in the municipality of Bulan. Proposed ordinance number 4-2026, an ordinance institutionalizing the observance of Earth Hour in Bulan, Sorsogon on the last Saturday of March every year, starting 8:30 in the evening. And proposed ordinance number 5-2026, an ordinance establishing incentives for green buildings with roof deck gardens in the municipality of Bulan, province of Sorsogon, and for other purposes. This committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Environmental Management Protection. And the recommendation, approval of proposed resolution number 2026-031, approval with amendments of proposed ordinance number 4-2026, and deferment and reschedule of committee hearing for proposed ordinance number 5-2026.
Yadi na si ano kanina?
Mr. Chair.
Si Ma'am Kelly. Okay na. Muna ito. Yes, Councilor Leoneta Guelas.
Okay. Since the chairman is absent, Councilor Danting Corsica, pwede po ako mag-present sa database?
Yes.
Okay. So, pares po kanina na naipaliwanag ni Ma'am Kelly sa proposed resolution number 026031, certified urgent, authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo Gordola, to enter and sign a memorandum of agreement with the Bicol Bottles and Packaging Depot, Packaging Supplies Trading for the implementation of the Balik Bote program, a class buying station project in the municipality of Bulan. Under committee report po yun. And proposed ordinance number 04-2026, an ordinance institutionalizing the observance Earth Hour in Bulan, Sorsogon on the last day of March, every starting at 8:30 in the evening. Mr. Chair, I move for approval and inclusion in the second reading. And also under the committee report, since si Vice po diri naka-attend sa committee hearing, kay siya po sa dian proponent, and wala man po siya na ipadara na authorized person para magpaliwanag. Proposed ordinance number 052026, an ordinance providing incentive for green buildings with road deck gardens in the municipality of Bulan, province of Sorsogon, and the other purposes. I move for deferment.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Councilor Gian.
gusto po ni Council Neneng Guelas, ang committee report po i-approve and adopt. Tapos ang dua po under committee report, item number 5, i-include po sa second reading and also approval and adoption. So, may pending motion po si Council Neneng Guelas. I second the motion.
The item number 5, proposed resolution number 2026-031, and also the proposed ordinance number 04-2026 is adopted and approved on committee reports. And And also include on...
Second reading.
Ano rin, number 5 lang.
5 lang.
And also include on second reading and...
Number 14.
And approval.
Yeah, ang number, ano pa po? 14.
And also, proposed ordinance number 04-2026 is approved on second reading.
Mr. Chair?
Ayun mo na po, Mr.
Ang
Chair.
number 14, may una ba sa revised?
Ay, maano pa mo po?
I-adapt lang. Ano lang, insert,
Mr.
include
Chair.
lang. Include.
Include lang po sa
Include
second
lang.
reading.
Ang approval is number 5. Ang ka, Ma'am Kelly. So, on the item number 14 is include
Inclusion lang po for second
for
reading.
the second reading.
Okay.
Our next committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Barangay Affairs. Item number 15, communication from Otavi through Barangay Resolution number 076, entitled Resolution Requesting for Assistance as Relevant and Proper Action from the Municipal Local Government Unit through the Sangguniang Bayan of Bulan on matter relative to the unliquidated amount incurred by the previous administration. The recommendation of the Committee on Barangay Affairs, deferment and reschedule due to lack of resource person.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor Hirillo.
Last committee hearing, so napag-erguhan naman ini. Kailang may mga dapat ilinaw na masatisfied si Barangay Captain ng Utabi. So, napag-sarayuan po namo ini, na i-defer mo na ini, then i-reschedule uli ang rehearing para sa invitation ka Ma'am Mylene Heba para sa tama na paliwanag para kan punong barangay Utabi. So siguro motion for adoption muna nato ini para po sa na-hearing sa nakaagi.
Mr. Chair, bago po na-approval, sa committee report po, ang recommendation is deferment?
Yes po.
Okay. I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Yes,
On motion of Councilor Hirillo and seconded by Councilor Alarguelas, the item number 15 is adopt and approved.
Our next committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Urban Housing and Land Use Development. Item number 19. Proposed Resolution number 2025-581. Resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Romeo Gordola, to execute a deed of donation of a parcel of land owned by the Municipal Government of Bulan and identified as Survey number 1056, PT Lot number 003, Block 01, located at Barangay Imelda, Aquino, Sorsogon, with an area of 2,000 square meters in favor of the Barangay Government of Imelda or Aquino, this municipality, for the purpose of establishing a barangay site and the construction of a covered court. The recommendation of the Committee on Urban Housing and Land Use, approval of PR number 2026-581 and pending for the submission of the technical description of the lot.
Mr. Chair.
Councilor Alar.
Una po, na committee report niya lang nabasa dahil sa may mga binago po kita sa contents ng committee report, sa report. Niyan, mapadara po kita, ang committee, mapadara po kita surat sa executive na i-request sa technical description sini po na property na gusto i-donate. But it is approved sa committee level, kaya lang, di rin po yun mapushro hanggat wala po yun na technical description. So, mama na po yun, Mr. Chair. I move for the adoption of the committee report.
Second.
On motion of Councilor Alar, seconded by Councilor Recto Valeriano, the proposed resolution number 2026-681 is adopted and approved.
Wait lang po. Regarding po sinina nakabutang din po sa committee report na our hero, wait lang po ha, right? naimod ko po ito kanina. Sa nakaagi po baga na ano, sa nakaagi po baga na presentations and committee and with recommendation, SKR Herona po, I would like to inform the SK Federation President na based po sa staff ni Councilor John Wayne Gordola, nagsabit na po tabi sa nakaagian SKR Herona na saan ka na amended na SK budget.
Item number na eh.
7.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Councilor Gian.
under committee report, item number 7, proposed resolution number 2026-037-B. So, nakapasa naman po si SK Herona. So, I move for inclusion on second reading and for its approval.
I-adapt pa ini.
Na-adapt na po yan.
Na-adapt na.
Opo.
Second motion.
On motion of Councilor Gian Gordola, seconded by Councilor Leoneta Guelas, the proposed resolution number 2026-037 is included on second reading and approved on second reading. Thank you. Please proceed, Mr. Secretary, to the unfinished business.
Excuse me, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor Azur.
Before to proceed for the business of the day, so, Mr. Chair, my item, resolution.
Inclusion yan.
Yes, I move for the inclusion for the second reading kasi inapprove siya sa first reading and then wala na siya pakaputang sa ato agenda. So, my emotion ko na maka-include siya for the inclusion for the second reading. The two item, the resolution number 005, series of 2026, resolution adopting the local public transport route plan 2025 to 2030 of the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon, in authorizing its submission of the Land Transportation Franchise and Regulatory Board, LTFRB, in other concerned agency. And number 2, proposed resolution number 2025-046, resolution interposing no objection, is strongly support the Bulan Matnog Transport Cooperative, BOLMATCO. The proposed route application from South Coastal Barangay of the Municipality of Bulan to Municipality Matnog, Sorsogon. So, Mr. Chair, I move for the inclusion these two items. And may note po ang sa ato LTFRB. So, nag-ano siya na sabi niya, need daw po on board resolution and special notice of compliance for the office of LTFRB. So, diri pa siya nakapasa sa board resolution na halis sa LTFRB. So, hulaton po nato muna siya. So, ini sinulod ko for the inclusion, so I move for deferment. I-deferred ko muna. Pero kay Puan, makasulod siya sa second reading.
For
Yes.
deliberation.
Okay.
Second.
Na-refer na yung kanina. So, tama man, kaya naka-deferred man. So, wala man kita kopya. Sa next session, siguro for the deliberation kung may mga hapon na. The motion of Councilor Zur, seconded by Councilor Barriano, for inclusion to the second reading, the two items, 005-2026, 2025-046 is include on second reading and deferment.
Mr. Chair,
Councilor Hilidio.
under the committee report, items number 18 and items number 26, the proposed resolution 202587 for the review of the Barangay Ordinance of Barangay Arherona na sumasaklaw sa pagbabawal sa pagpasok ng mga pribadong lupain sa lahat ng lupa na sinasakupan ng Barangay Arherona at pagpato ng kaparusahan sa mga nahuhuling, kumukuha ng mga produkto at pananim sa mga pribadong lupain at mga kaukulang kaparusahan sa mga taong nahuli sa loob ng pribadong mga lupain. And items 26, the proposed resolution of 205487, review of the Barangay Sumagungsong, Ordinance Number 006, Series 2025, entitled Ordinance na nagbabawal sa pagpapakalat ng chismis, paninirang puri at responsableng pagpopo sa social media na nakakasira sa kapwa na naglalaan ng kaukulang parusa. Mr. Chair, there is no, wala po sirang pinadara na final draft. So, naawat naman po ini siguro di naman sira sini, ag-importa na idagos pa ini. So, I motion for archives, Mr. Chair. These two items, number 18 and number 26.
Mr. Chair?
Yes.
Aputong ko lang tabihan committee chair. During San committee hearing, na-inform man ang barangay na mayroon silang mga existing national law na nagko-cover sini ng mga violation. Kasi ini na trespassing, actually may batas na yun. Ini na pag libel na ini na saro eh. Libel ng cyber, libel, tapos paninang puri is na bang guys na defamation. So puro man siya may mga covered na si national law. Siguro i-inform na lang
Inform na lang sa
Irugso na i-archive nato, inform nato sara na ayun naman si national law na pwede na re-implement locally or
Pero,
sa barangay.
Ang motion ni Councilor Hililio is
I-archive.
Pwede yan ha. Pero dapat mapadarahan mo sa letter.
Diri na archive, disapproval na.
Disapproval na, dili archive.
Kasi kung i-archive mo, bagan hanging siya. Then pagsulod sa 30-day rules and no decision ang Sangguniang Bayan, hindi din approve siya.
Pero Mr. Chair, kung sakali po na disapprove that measure, pwede ba yun na diri aware and concerned barangay? Kasi sa kanya rin eh. Dapat siguro...
Nag-committee hearing man sir eh.
Yes, Mr. Chair, nag-committee hearing naman kami, kailang insabihan misinda na magpadala sa final draft. So,
Hindi man nagpapadala.
Tama, yun kasi ang point ko. Kasi gusto na may yun na sin suggestion na ipa-disapprove. Siguro ko mag-committee hearing na lang gihapon ulit and committee liga
may ang chairman na sa
tapos i-cite na lang po dito.
Ang ma-decision sa is
Dire,
chairman.
pwede ka man mag-decide and isabi mo kung ano ka action decision mo. Dire kay irugsini ang plano ko kaya i-disapprove ko ikaw.
Mahatag manggapon letter ang chairman.
Kung disapprove, then papadarahan tang barangay, naki-disapprove. Failure niyo maghatag sa draft na sabi na mo, nakipon mag-submit ka mo. Kaya kung pabayaan kaya nato, baka pumasok sa Dim approve. Kasi may 30 days rule baga at kita.
Apo, yun na lang Mr. Chair, i-note na lang tabi. Ito na mga
okay, Mr. Chair.
Councilor
So,
recommendations.
imbis na archive, so inano ko na lang ang archive. So, motion for this approval na lang, Mr. Chair.
Second the motion, Mr. Chair.
On motion of Councilor Hililio, seconded by Councilor De Castro, the two items on the committee reports, the proposed resolution number 2025-587 and proposed resolution number 2025-487 is disapproved. 18 and 26 committee reports. Opo.
Arherona na.
Arherona and Sumagungsong. 18 and 26 sa committee report.
Actually, kung isipan nga elapse ng 30 days yun na duwa.
Okay. Pero nag-ano siya sa 25. Nag-committee hearing yata siya sa 25. January.
Mo.
Nakuha mo.
Tabi.
Yeah, failure na rin at least may istoryahan na kami sa committee.
We now go to unfinished business, Your Honor.
Yes, please proceed, Mr. Secretary.
Calendar of business. For item number 1, we have proposed resolution number 2026038, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the Municipal Civil Registrar, Ms. Nelia Bibi Namira, to enter into and sign a subscription agreement with the Philippine Statistics Authority for the use of the Administrative Petition for Correction Automated System or APCAS by the local Civil Registry Office of the Municipal Government of Bulan.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor Azur.
The item number 1 under the unfinished business. Okay, so the proponent is not yet around, so...
Diri.
Angkan ma'am na
Akta na ni Ma'am Lily.
Kaya,
Dili ka, Ma'am Kelly. Nelia, kan Ma'am Nelia.
Kaya nga so I move to lay on the table.
diri, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor De Castro.
I move for the disapproval of proposed resolution number 2026-038 as... And sa kanilya ini, di ba?
Oh, pero
Ma'am Nelia.
maano mo na siya, mahatag ka courtesy kan Asor para i-withdraw niya ang kaniya motion.
Okay,
Kaya
so...
magkakaigwasin double motion.
Ang Kelly pa na nabanggit. Nalipat.
Okay, so Mr. Chair, I withdraw my motion.
Okay.
Sige tabi, magawa donks.
Mr. Chair, I move for the disapproval of proposed resolution number 2026-038 since it is not necessary to give authority to Ma'am Nelia based on the letter from the region.
Any
Second.
I second the motion.
on motion of Councilor De Casa, seconded by the two Councilor Guelas, the proposed resolution number 2026-038 is disapproved.
Item number 2 is proposed ordinance number 03-2026, an ordinance amending Article 15, Section 103 of Ordinance number 2023-02 for Traffic Management and Control Board Resolution number 1, Series of 2026, introduced by Councilor Geoffrey Asor.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Councilor Azur.
The item number 2 under the unfinished business, the proposed ordinance number 03-2026. So, diri pa man po nag-submit ang sa Tabi Resorts speakers regarding for mga amendments. So, I move for deferment.
Second.
The proposed ordinance number 03-2026 is deferred.
Item number 3, proposed resolution number 2026006 for review, Barangay Argerona, ordinance number 001-2026, isang ordinansang nagtatakda ng mahigpit na alituntunin sa pag-aalaga ng baboy o babuyan o backyard piggery sa loob ng Barangay Argerona, bayan ng Bulan, lalawigan ng Sorsogon, at nagpapataw ng kaukulang parusa sa mga lalabag dito. Introduced by Councilor Rodel Hililio.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Yes,
Under
Councilor.
the calendar of business, the 3 items, Mr. Chair, the items number 3, 4, and 5. So, Mr. Chair, there is no final draft. So, waiting po. So, motion for deferment, Mr. Chair.
Sige na, before the deferment, may sarabi lang po si Mark.
With the indulgence of Councilor Rodel Hililio, ang diri pa po nagpasa is ang number 3, number 4, and number 6. Ang number 5 po, ang butag, nagpasa na sa nakaagi po.
So, may final draft na.
Ano po, final po sa ordinansa na ra.
May na-send mo na dito, wala pa man.
Wala pa po. Pero po, ano na po ini, nagpasa na po sira.
So,
Uploaded na.
Sa approval sa mga ordinance, diri man mismo ang ordinance sa barangay hihimo nato kundi
sa atin.
iba man po ang format nato po.
So, i-defer tayo tiro ni Pat.
I
Councilor,
think, I'm sorry, number 6 pala. Apo, number 6.
So, the proposed resolution number 2026-006, proposed resolution number 2025-592, and also the proposed resolution number 2025-486 is deferred. And number 5, pwede mo pa-approve. Yung final.
Okay, also, number 5. So, purpose resolution of Barangay Butag. So, already submitted of final draft. So, motion for approval, Mr. Chair.
Second the motion.
On motion of Councilor Hililio, seconded by Councilor Leoneta Guelas, the proposed resolution number 2025-493 is approved on second reading.
Item number 7, Your Honor, is proposed ordinance number 35-2025, an ordinance prescribing the rules and regulations governing the operation of the municipal slaughterhouse in the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon, providing penalties for violations thereof, appropriating funds therefore, and for other purposes. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Councilor Alarguelas.
Since wala po an
Chairman tsaka
Chairman sa
proponent.
Committee on Ways and Means, I move for this proposed ordinance number 35-2025 to be deferred.
Second motion, Mr. Chair.
On motion of Councilor Alarguela, seconded by Councilor Gian Gordola, the proposed ordinance number 35-2025 is deferred.
We now go to business for the day, Your Honor. Item number 1 is proposed resolution number 2026-062, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of partnership or partnership agreement or MOPA with the 22nd Infantry Valor Battalion, 9th Infantry Spear Division, Philippine Army, for the presentation, airing, and dissemination of the Philippine Army's official audiovisual presentation and the establishment and display of the West Philippine Sea Gallery in the LGU, supervised terminals, and designated public areas.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Councilor Valerian.
before we approve this resolution, may we invite the 22nd Baylor Battalion for the enhanced
Di man,
this?
ano nga sir sa hindi sa bulan, palabas-palabas. Ito naman kayo po ni-invite.
Actually,
Thank you.
Mr. Chair, clarify na kanina ni
Excel.
na maano man lang sa correct to, parang may ihatag na video presentation.
Video presentation.
Okay.
Parang ano lang sa advertisement sa inihiri mo.
Noted, Mr. Chair.
Approval. Approve. Motion.
So, I just propose, Mr. Chair, for the approval of this resolution.
The motion of Councilor Valeriano, seconded by Councilor Arguelas, the proposed resolution number 2026-062 is approved on second reading. Aler.
Ano tabi, ano? All ano?
Pwede man,
SB?
all SB member.
Item number 2, proposed resolution number 2026-054, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement with the provincial government of Sorsogon relative to the continuation and implementation of the PANSA Paaralan program for school year 2026 to 2027.
Mr. Chair.
Yes,
Under
Councilor
business
Gian
for the
Gordola.
day, item number 2, proposed resolution number 2026-054, I move for approval and adoption.
Second motion.
Sabay mo na.
And also, item number 3, proposed resolution number 2026-053.
On motion of Councilor Gian Gordola, seconded by Councilor Hililio, the proposed resolution number 2026-054, proposed resolution number 2026-053 is approved on second reading.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Councilor De Castro.
query ko lang, nano nito na omnibus authority ninhatag nato kan mayor na in terms to the programs and 7K in partnership with the province?
Nag-aayo, manggihapon ko no individual.
Individual mga.
Nansi accountant mismo man, nag-aayo man individual.
Kay inirugta man lang kuta bagaan hinimo sa iba na municipality.
Halos intiro na munisipyo. Para sa pagkita na presentation nila sa
Na omnibus.
puros baga omnibus, hindi mo na omnibus.
So nag-aayos in individualize. Dili na ito yung na omnibus.
Siguro, kung may ma-omit, mo na ito ma-apply.
Or baka baka dili na po provide sa executive na mayon na sin omnibus ordinance. May copy ba sa omnibus ordinance?
Imudong ko.
Kasi minsan, baka dili na attach.
Imudong ko tabi, usually may receive copy man kita son. Kung nagpadala si Noli.
Kumbaga, i-query ta lang sa executive na diri ba pwede nito na omnibus para ma-fast track. Na di na siya mag-certified urgent, diri na mag another 1 week or 2 weeks delay.
Matabi.
Siguro invite ka invite na next week.
Sa iba na munisipyo, lagod ako sa ato din.
Invite na next week siguro
Diri, ang clarificatory
Mr.
nga
Secretary,
kung diri na attach. For example, nagpadaraan province sa LGU, sa executive, na mamowa kita. Ang nangyari minsan sa executive, pipa sa tulos didi for authority na pwede man na rae mo doon o may na magkakita omnibus, enough na siguro ini. Like for example nga yun na sa LCR. Kung nabasa maya, di na palang kaipuhan didi. So mauman yun, may una sa Rasin Authority. Baka di rin gagamit. O di nagagamit. Clarification man lang.
Pwede naman yan by next week siguro sa session.
Ang sa executive.
Executive and accounting ha.
Yan, no?
Medyo siraan mahigpit sa sa mga ilog sinapit.
Pwede. Mauban sabi sa sa executive na inayuan sa accounting office na may unsin.
Mr. Chair, siguro mas better na po ito na invite na lang sa next session.
Accounting and executive siguro.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor. Sorry.
Okay, so may hapot lang ako, Mr. Chair, Secretary. Ang inaprubahan ta ba na omnibus approval, may duration po ba siya? O kada ano niya, every 1 year lang ang ano niya? O continuing process?
Resolution lang yan to ha.
Hindi ko po sigurado.
Okay. O sige, ano tada lang?
Baka sa last
Last year pa yan to, kaya siguro ano na.
Mao. Sayo man niya sa duda ko badi annual an gusto na masabihin.
Parang
Yes.
2024 pa nga niya ito na omnibus na.
O baka yearly, ma-amend kita.
Mao, tabi.
Yes, sige.
Noted. Okay, Mr. Secretary.
Ay, nakita. Ay, nitabi na number 4. Na-approve na ini sa resolution sa committee report, kaya lang na-omit ko siya, diri ko na-include for second reading. So, ipa-include tagahapon tabi, proposed resolution number 2025468, kayo na kuno tabi ang mga gamit. So, resolution authorizing Honorable Mayor Romeo A. Gordola to enter into memorandum of agreement with the Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office number 5 for the provision of 1 unit incubator with hatcher under the Livestock and Poultry Program.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Councilor Recto Valeriano.
I move for the approval of the proposed resolution number 225-468 for the authorizing the Honorable Mayor Gordola to enter into a memo of agreement with the Department of Agriculture Regional Office number 5.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none. The proposed resolution number 2025-468 is on motion of Councilor Recto Valeriano, seconded by Councilor Azur, is approved on second reading.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Councilor Gian Gordola.
under sa committee report, item number 1, I move for inclusion on second reading and its approval. Item number 1.
Item number
1 po.
Sino ang mas
One
second?
lang po kami amendments po ito na.
Second motion.
On motion of Councilor Gian Gordola, seconded by Councilor Leoneta Guelas, the proposed resolution numbers 2026-046 to include on second reading and approval for the second reading. Mama lang ha.
Noted, Your Honor. For our third reading, Your Honor, we have item number 1, proposed ordinance number 06-2026, an ordinance retitling the position of Municipal Government Department Head 1, Municipal Human Resource Management Office, to Municipal Government Department Head 1. Ano yun eh?
Mr. Chair?
Yes,
I move
Councilor
for
De
the-
Castro.
I move for the proposed ordinance number 6-2026.
Second.
Second motion.
Any objection? Hearing none. The proposed ordinance number 06-2026 on motion of Councilor De Castro, seconded by Councilor Hililio and Councilor Guelas, is approved on third and final reading.
Author, Your Honor, is Councilor
De
Guillermo
Castro.
De Castro. Co-author is Councilor Aler and Councilor Rodel Hililla. Item number 2, proposed ordinance number 08-2026, an ordinance granting franchise to Mr. Romeo E. Cap Jr. to operate and maintain a cockpit arena in the municipality of Bulan, province of Sorsogon, introduced by Councilor Renz Alarguelas.
Before the approval, may pinadala yata ang Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Pwede po pakibasa mo na ano.
Opo.
Mr.
So, sa resolution tabi sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan, resolution number 41-2026 is entitled Resolution Declaring Valid Bulan Municipal Ordinance number 2025-2023 entitled An Ordinance Terminating the Franchise to Operate Cockpit Granted to Mr. Rio Jun Yu Gabito, for non-payment of taxes and fees in violation of Section 5 of the Ordinance Number 2021-04.
Noted. So, Councilor Alarguelas.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I move for the approval, Mr. Chair, of this proposed ordinance number 8-2026.
Second the motion.
Second the motion.
Second motion.
On motion of Councilor Guelas, seconded by Councilor Valeriano, Azur, and Luneta Guelas and Councilor Hililio, the proposed ordinance number 08-2026, an ordinance granting franchise to Mr. Romeo Hiccup Jr. to operate and maintain a cockpit arena in the municipality of Bulan is approved on third and final reading.
Author, Your Honor, is Councilor Aler. Co-author, Councilor Hililio, Councilor Junita Guelas, Councilor and Councilor Recto Valeriano. Noted, Your Honor. We now go to new business for next session.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Councilor Guelas.
Thank you. Yadto po na resolution sa lahong sa land donation, naka-lay on the table po ba ito, ha? Naka-istorya ko ang barangay officials and they are requesting na kung pwede i-fast track na po ito. Now, Mr. Chair, with the permission of the members of the committee, I move that the resolution be take back from the table. Then, makandak po ulit ako sa committee hearing sa to.
Okay, noted.
Second, Your Honor.
Second the motion.
On motion of Councilor Guelas, seconded by Councilor De Castro and Councilor Luneta Guelas, is the proposed resolution number na nito.
Hindi ko matanda.
Hindi matanda.
The
Is
donation.
to include
Ito na
on
sa donation.
sa donations sa Barangay Lahong is to include on
Taken from the table. We now go to announcement, Your Honor. So, item number 1 from Accounting Office, trial balance for January 2026 of the General Fund, Special Education Fund, and Trust Fund. We now go to privilege hour, Your Honor.
Motion for adjournment.
Adjournment, Your Honor.
Second.
On motion of Councilor Hililio, seconded by Councilor Gian Gordola, the session is adjourned at 11:08.